Righto, so old mate's going to put some lowered springs in as well. That's a part number there.
These are the ultra lows, which is triple SL, the lowest you can get.
Okay, so first of all we need to get that spring out.
All the other videos I've watched, everyone's telling you to do multiple steps. Now I just did this on the other side before we made this video, and it was as easy as this. Use a spring compressor. I've actually shortened this one because it's harder to get in there when they're longer. Put it on the spring, on the original spring, tighten it up, and then just release this bugger from the bottom.
Shock absorber.
Shock absorber. And voila, push that. That'll come out with a little bit of help from someone's foot. And pull the bump stop out. You can either get an aftermarket one for lowered, or you can just cut one of the bands off,
which we'll do in a minute,
which is what we did.
Right.
And yeah, alright,
get into it. Under the shock absorber. Jack underneath there. And bring that down now. Well, I had the fence on the other side of the lane against, so this will be a bit tricky.
Yeah, jumping on the side of me.
Hang on. Oh, hold on to the car, just holding the camera and doing that at the same time as.
Yeah, I'll do this. You get the spring out.
I'll fucking put my hand in jeopardy.
Okay.
Spring out.
As you can see, it was as easy as that. Now just to show you, there is nothing else unbolted up here or down here. It was literally just that. Now, to get the bump stop off, I have,
referring to that thing there,
these came in one of those the interior door clips, but it worked perfectly.
A little bit different, you've got a camera in your face, isn't it?
A little bit.
Tell me about it. I'll back off.
This one feels a bit tougher. Might need another something in there. Maybe not.
You're nearly there. You just need more leverage.
Oh,
almost there.
Head.
Yeah. I'll cut that. Oh, mate's getting ready over there. So I did record this, but for some reason the phone glitched and I lost it. So what I did was just using a bit of oil on the knife, cut that one ring off. The oil helps the knife slide between the rubber as you're cutting it. Once you get the cut started, the rest of it's easy. So the initial cut is the hardest part. Then you'll find cutting that one ring off not so hard. Okay, so you'll hear a pop when that goes back on. It's a lot stiffer than the other side. I think it just went on just then, but it didn't pop like the other side. Yeah, it did. So that's back on now. A bit of pack in there, and we can put the spring back on. The shock absorber back on. Alright, so put this jack back under. Trying to keep all this footage genuine but the camera stopped on me when cutting that rubber, so I'll just keep rolling from this point on. I need to go up, down. Spot on.
A little bit up.
Yeah.
There we go.
Why don't you put your socket on the end of that friggin'...
Yeah.
Dugga. Now just give her a nip up. Yeah, I hate that too. The freaking sockets don't want to go on or come off easy on those things.
Yeah.
Having a feel for which way that turns.
Don't want to be loosening it.
That's right. That's enough.
Well done.
And drop that. And that's it. You can put the wheels back on. The whole process of changing these rear coil springs wouldn't have taken us an hour. And yeah, job's done. He just needs to put those wheels back on, which he's doing on the other side right now.
That one stud feels a little bit tighter than others for some.
See how far away that tyre is from your car right now? That's how I would have it when she sits back down.
Oh, I know.
Look at my car. There you go. Oh, that's where that is. Looking for that yesterday. The Inox. You know, you don't need to do it all the way by hand. You can just a couple of threads. So old mate once used a dugga to put the lug nut on, and then we freaking spent half a day trying to get that freaking lug nut back off.
And that's why I'm extra cautious.
That's right. Better safe than sorry, I guess. Do you want to put some copper lube on it? It's too tight already. Bring it back off. Something's not right. The first drrrr, and it didn't even make it halfway, was your sign to say stop there.
Yeah. That one's easier.
So the other lug nut might be threaded. Alright, just going to get old mate to put some copper NECs on these lug nuts. So take your wheel back off for a second. And I've got more than enough there. This is just because I didn't like the way that other lug nut was going on, and if we run into a problem, this is going to make it easier to get the lug nuts back off. That should do it. Yeah, what he's doing right now, always do that first before you use the dugga. Never put the lug nut in the dugga first. And I've seen it happen so many times, people doing that. They cross thread the lug nut on, and it's torture to get it back off. Okay, jack up and stands out. And you did that like a what? Like a boss. Holy shit, what a saggy butt.
That's not even all the way down.
Go on, bounce. Give her a bounce. Fuck, that's going to be a tough ride on the road now. Feel every bump. And we're doing the front struts later, once I've got my new tool set up. It doesn't look much different to the rear though.
No, the stock is always higher in the rear on these for some reason. I think once I move forward though, the back wheels will adjust and it'll sag down even more.
We shall see.
Move it forward just to have a look.
Yeah, just go forwards and backwards.
Oh, need those.
Yeah, I hadn't forgotten. He's talking about the little plastic things that come off that one. Just hold it back in. Starts easier. Did you get the battery changed?
No.
Not yet? It sounds like it's starting better than before.
Yeah, it's just being used all the time. So.
Okay. Huh?
Must still be a brick under it.
Well, the last thing went. What did you say that about the kids? Anyone seen that video? What was that you said about the kid? She definitely sags down a bit more when driving. Or maybe it's resting now. Yeah, it did come down probably about 5mm when you move forward. Anyway, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.